Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change privacy settings on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. Or if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So I'm going to this app. So right after that, if you want to go to your privacy settings, you will have to click on the top left corner where there will be 3 lines. Just click on this. And right after that, you need to go on the settings, which is in the bottom side. So now here you can see the privacy on the second line. Just click on this privacy and these are your privacy settings. So you can just hide your location and you can customize your message to with my video, save post, comment on my post, comment filters or block list, followings, and many more. So you can change anything from here. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.